2027च्या विधानसभा वेंचणुके खातीर बाणावले धोलार बडी पडल्या। केशीचो सरपंच डिक्सन वाज आणि बाणावले मतदारसंघातल्यान 2027 वर्साचे विधानसभा वेंचणूक लढोवपाचो दावो केला। आपल्या जल्मदिसा निमतान उलयतना तांणी बाणावले वाठारांत केशीची उदरगत मॉडेल चालीक लावपाचो निर्धार उक्तायलो। तशेंच उदरगत महत्वाची पक्ष न्हय, बस, येरादारी, रस्ते, हॉकर, नितळसाण अशा विशयांचेर आपूण काम करतलो अशें डिक्सनान स्पश्ट केलें। पळयात।
4 वर्सां पंचायतीन सरपंच मी कितें केलें तें सांगलें की खुबशी विकास कामां केली तुमच्या गांवांत। फुडलो स्टेप कितें?
See, further step, I have already shows my intention to contest in Benaulim, and I have desire. I am not saying that. See, politics for me, I am a very junior, but I like to do very straight politics. Doesn't matter what the party is. Dixon will contest in 27, and the same model, what we are doing in Kavalasi, will take to Benaulim constituency. Benaulim constituency is lacking a lot of things. We are only saying that we are the best because we have the coast, but from the coast we don't have a lot of things. Infrastructure, we don't have good roads. We need better roads. We need bus transportation. As itlo tourists allo itlo low koita amta bus system na. Bus is pathetic. I am fighting. We got one Kadamba which is going full. Now slowly things are changing. So we need to change the better public transportation. Unemployment. As today we have आमचे मुखार आहा आता वॉर जाले in the Gulf, COVID जाले, सगळो लोक पोत्तून येयलो. आज आमचो जायतो लोक इंग्लंडा वयता. Situation can change at any time. They have to come back to Goa. What we gonna do? So we need to help them to build up their own, to be self-dependent entrepreneur. I like to do practical work. So like that, beach cleaning. Today our beaches in Kavirasi hawker free. I want to make full Benaulim constituency beaches hawker free. Kolwa is a priority beach. It's a queen of all the beaches and is very close to all the people in Salsette. Maka Kolwa a clean destination korpa jai. Itaka kai na kai. There is no rocket science. You need to clear the illegalities, keep it clean, away from hawkers, no beggars, nobody selling on the beach. Beach is for purely for people to enjoy leisure and to move freely. Today you cannot even, आम्ही जेतना भुरगे आलेले कोलवा कितले हिपी जाताले तिका रावताले, they all disappear because there is no privacy. So we need to work on that. Goa was famous for hippie and we need to bring that culture. We don't like the pub culture. Pub culture is not good. Yes, we need clubs. We need to, but clubs which are disturbing the people, which are exploiting the youth continuously in the morning, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, getting you drunk and then you drink and driving cases. These are the things we need to control. So I need to move forward to make sure Benaulim is a model constituency.